Chapter 8. Forms of water. Recall and tick the activities for which you need water. To play, to sing, to write, to grow plants, to walk, to make tea, to paint, to bath, to row a boat. Water is an important gift of nature for all of us to live. All living beings need water. We need water to drink, to wash, to cook and bath. Water is the main constituent of all plants, animals and humans. Plants need water to make their food. We get water from lakes, rivers, tube wells, hand pumps, waterfalls etc. No more. 65 to 70% of our body weight is water. 70% of the earth is covered with water. River, lake, tube well, hand pump. Water we get from various sources is not fit for drinking. We should clean water before drinking. Nowadays, there are many modern machines to purify water. AquaGuards, RO system, are common machines used to clean water in houses. RO system, AquaGuard. You get water to drink from? The most common method to purify water is to boil it. Forms of water. Water exists in three forms: solid, liquid and gaseous form. Liquid form of water, liquid. Water is used mainly in liquid form. Drinking water is in liquid form. We bath, cook, wash or clean with liquid form of water. Water in liquid form can flow. It has no definite shape. It takes the shape of the container in which we keep it. Solid form of water, ice. Ice is the solid form of water. Water changes its form from liquid to the solid on freezing. When water freezes, it becomes ice. We can hold ice in our hands. Ice has a definite shape. Ice melts when we take it out from freezer. It means solid form of water changes into liquid form. Gaseous form of water, water vapors. On heating, water changes into gaseous form called water vapors. The liquid form of water changes into gaseous form on heating. This is called evaporation. Water vapors mix with the air. We cannot see it. Water vapors has no definite shape. By heating ice we get liquid form of water. By heating liquid form of water we get water vapors. By cooling water vapors we get water. By cooling water we get ice. When water vapor cools down, it changes into liquid form. This is called condensation. Activity 1. Take some ice cubes and put it in the water. After some time ice cubes will melt and become liquid water. With the help of an adult, heat some water. On boiling, water changes into water vapor or steam. Ask the adult to hold a cold plate above the steam or water vapors. You will see small drops of water on the underside of the plate. Water vapor has changed back to water on cooling. Water, steam. Water changes its form. Hot water vapor is called steam. Now, you have learnt water is found in three forms. Can you name them? Water changes its forms in the following way. By heating ice we get water. By heating water we get water vapors. By cooling water vapors we get water. By cooling water we get ice. The water cycle. Water changes its forms in nature too. Due to this change, clouds form in the sky and rain comes. There is water in lakes, ponds, rivers, seas and oceans. Due to sun's heat, water gets heated up and changes into water vapor. Water vapor is the gaseous form of water. It mixes with air and rises up in the sky. At a height in the sky, air is cool. Water vapor come in contact with cool air and turns into tiny water drops. Then water drops join together to form clouds. When clouds become heavy and big, their water fall down as rain. This rain water fills lakes, ponds, rivers, seas and oceans. Now again sun shines and water changes its forms, and in this way water cycle goes on and on. Thus water cycle is the continuous process in which water changes its forms and bring rain on the earth. 1. The sun's heat warms the water. 2. Water vapor rises. 3. Water vapor cools. 4. Water drops form. 5. Water drops stick together to form clouds. 6. Clouds becomes heavy. 7. Rain falls. 8. Rainwater goes underground or into rivers, ponds, lakes and oceans. Quick recap. All living beings need water to live. Water exists in three forms: liquid, solid and gaseous. Water changes its forms on heating from liquid into gaseous form. This is called evaporation. When water vapors cools down, it changes into liquid form of water. This is called condensation. Water changes its forms in nature too, which result into water cycle.